Yo, happy birthday, happy 70th birthday, Ate Princess. Kakain na lang siguro kayo sa labas kasi na-advance ko na yung birthday mo, ano po. And good luck sa pag-aaral and see you here next month. Magkita-kita tayo dito next month. Basta love ni Mami always, okay? And congratulations sa YouTube mo. Siguro pag nahawakan mo na to, aabot na siguro to ng mga 15K. Next year, 18 ka na ikaw nang hawak ng YT mo, ha? So, wish you all the best and salamat naman at ikaw ay napakasipag sa pag-aaral and natutuwa kami na ni Daddy mo dahil sa napakaganda ng mga achievements na nagagawa mo sa iyong pag-aaral. Okay, we are proud of you, lalo na sa dancing, singing talent mo. Proud na proud kami ni Daddy mo sa iyo and keep on shining. Okay, nandito lang kami ni Daddy at mga kapatid mo na handang sumuporta at tumupad ng mga pangarap mo. Okay, and good luck sa journey mo next year sa college and yun na nga, see you here next month. I love you, anak ko. Happy 7th birthday and to all of you guys who supported Princess Magnificos YouTube channel for almost a year. Thank you so much po. Hindi ko na po kayo iisa-isahin pa, but from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much po sa lahat ng love and support niyo sa channel ni Princess. Gabi-gabi man ako nag-LS. Nandyan po kayo sa mga bagong kaibigan ko sa LS, sa mga bagong kilala dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyo for always there and supporting Princess Magnificos LS. Ang pagsusupport nyo kay Ma'am Shi is malaking bagay po sa akin dahil sa syempre malayo tayo sa pamilya natin, ang kalungkutan natin, YT lang ang nakakagamot ng ating lungkot. So thank you so much for the love and support in behalf of Princess Magnifico, guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much po. And anak, happy birthday sa iyo, ha, and good luck sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo dyan sa school. We are so very proud of you. Okay, napakagaling mo. Okay. And we are so very proud dahil sa maganda na, may talented na, super humble pa. Okay. Mana-mana lang yan, di ba? I love you na. Thank you so much. And love na love ka ni Mami. Bye-bye. Happy 7th birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Princess. Have fun and enjoy your 17th birthday. But not just that day, but the entire year. Yeah, from Shikel. And here you are, the picture your mommy sent for you. Yeah, look at that beautiful picture of you. Thank you. Happy birthday once again, Princess. Yeah.
Hello, Princess. Ayan. Video greetings, guys, from Eugene Paranyal Vlog. So, ayan, happy birthday, Princess Magnifico. Ayan, Ate Princess, and more birthdays to come. And wish you all the best. Ayan, and good luck sa YouTube channel mo. Ayan, more views and more subscribers to come. And stay healthy and pretty. And ayun, happy birthday. Ayan, more revenues and salaries to come. Alright, so once again, happy birthday, Princess Magnifico. Ayan, enjoy your life, enjoy your days, and more cakes and candles to blow. Alright, happy birthday, Ate Princess.
Happy birthday, Princess. I think it's your 17th birthday. Happy 17th birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo good health, more friends, good grades, and all the happiness in the world. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day and have a blast. Thank you.
Hello, Ate Princess! Kumusta na ang aming dalagita? Happy birthday to you at 17 years old ka na. Malapit ka na magdibo, ate. So, parang kailan lang nag-greet ako sa'yo. So, wish ko lang I be a good girl always to your mom and dad. Kasi alam ko na love ka talaga nila. And be a model of your brother and sister. Alam ko mabait ka eh. Kasi nakikita ko naman yung sa mga videos mo. And study well. Alam kong magaling ka sa school. And alam kong proud na proud si Mami Tess sa'yo. Kaya wish ko happy birthday. And susunod, di po na talaga. So, happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Hi, Princess! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa iyo ngayon, sana lahat ng iyong pangarap sa buhay, balang araw ay iyong makakamtan. At huwag tumigil mangarap. Siyempre, hindi ko makakalimutan na ipagdasal kay Lord na ilayo ka sa kapahamakan, bigyan ka ng malusog na pangangatawan, bigyan ka niya ng enough na strength para harapin kung ano mang pagsubok sa buhay na darating. Again, happy birthday, Princess. Ingat palagi and God bless you. Thank you. Happy birthday!
Ayan, binabati ko pala ng maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Langga Princess. Happy birthday sa imo, Langga. Always good girl to Mami. Pagbutihan mo yung pag-aaral mo. Andiyan lang si Mami, palagi nagsusupport at si Daddy. Ayan, alagaan mo yung mga kapatid mo, lalo lang si Paris. Ayan ha, happy birthday sa iyo, Langga. Good luck sa mga goal mo at support mo si Mami para lumawak pa yung channel mo. Tsaka congrats din sa channel mo kasi nag-grow talaga siya. Ayan, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa ni Mami. And always good health at ilayo kayo sa sakit. And yan lang, enjoy lang lagi. Mami, good vibes and Langga Princess, happy once again. Happy birthday and I love you.
Mabuhay, Princess, from Austin, Texas, America. We are calling to tell, or videoing to tell you happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Princess! You are about to turn 17, if I'm not mistaken. Happy birthday, mabuhay! I hope you have, what's that again? You're going to have a good birthday and enjoy your day. Okay? Listen to your mom always.
Happy birthday.
We love you. Bye-bye.